Meanwhile, public health experts in India have raised safety concerns over the ICMR's sudden push to the fast-track development of a coronavirus vaccine and make it available for public use by August 15, the Independence Day. A report.
India plans to launch its coronavirus vaccine by 15th of August. Covaxin, the first coronavirus vaccine for public health, which will be launched latest by 15th August 2020. Once the clinical trial of the vaccine are completed, the ICMR has said. The final outcome of the vaccine will depend upon the cooperation of all clinical trial sites that are involved with the project, it stated. In a letter, Director General of ICMR, Balram Bhargav said, human trials for the coronavirus vaccine that is being developed by Bharat Biotech and the ICMR should be fast-tracked. Ever since this letter came out in public domain, experts have raised ethical and safety concern over this move to fast-track vaccine development for a disease about which the world is still learning. Experts say that for a vaccine for which preclinical development is still ongoing, how can clinical trial recruitment be starting on July 7th and the vaccine be launched on 15th of August? They also question the ground on which clinical trial sites have been chosen, as some of these institutes seem to be small nursing homes or hospitals. Outlining the dangers of fast-tracking the process, an expert said if we roll out a vaccine which harms even 1 in 1,000 persons, it still will be terrible effect on public confidence on any COVID-19 vaccine. Meanwhile, a look at the clinical trial registry of India for human trial of the vaccine that is being developed by Bharat Biotech revealed that the trial was registered on 1st July for phase 1 and 2 study. The detail shows that it plans to test 1,125 people in this trial and plan to enroll people on July 13th. According to the registry, the firm could take 1 year and 3 months. Of this, phase 1 trial alone will take at least a month. This means there is very limited time to look into the safety and efficacy of these trials. Meanwhile, DCGI has given approval to Zydus Cadila to start phase 1 and 2 clinical trial of its vaccine. This is the second vaccine after Bharat Biotech Covaxin to get approval for human clinical trial. The indigenous vaccine being developed in India is one of the top priority projects which is being monitored at the topmost level of the government. PM Modi had recently held a high-level meeting to take stock on the indigenous vaccine efforts. Bureau Report.